If you do not know how to fold your paper bag, this is the right video for you. Okay, the first thing you are going to do is for you to fold the top of the paper bag where you are going to put your handles. Then fold the side of the paper bag where you are going to stick the other end of the bag together. Then apply your gum. Okay, take time and apply your gum so that it will stick very well by the time you stick the other end. Now, at the end of this video, you are going to see how this bag is going to turn into what it is going to turn into. All right, the next thing you are going to do here is for you to turn the bag. Okay, wow. Now, turn it, fold it into two equally, and then stick it. Okay, make sure the bag sticks very firmly. Make sure it sticks very firmly. Okay, make sure it sticks very firmly so that it doesn't detach from the other side. Okay, now the next thing you are going to do is for you to fold it. Just follow these steps. You are going to love what you see. Now, the next thing you do is fold it from the middle, just the way you see it. At the end of this video, you'll see what this bag will become. It's going to be very beautiful. In short, you will like it. Now, the next thing you do, just fold it from the die lines. Just fold it from the die lines that you applied during your design. Okay. All right. This is very beautiful. Wow. Do you see what we are trying to do there? Okay. Then fold it, then fold it again. Wow, this is great. All right. So maybe I want to know where you are watching from. Let me know the country you are watching from. Then so that I can give you a heart from this video. Okay, if you have any question, put it on the comment section and then I will respond to your questions. If you have any feedback, you can send us a feedback and then we will make sure that we work together and make sure this is amazing. And then after applying your gum, make sure you allow some air to touch the gum first before you stick it to the other end of the paper. Okay, and then you make sure it's firmly applied, okay, so that it doesn't detach. Wow, this is beautiful. This is awesome. Okay, wow, this is beautiful. Take note that this paper bag is designed in A2. The paper bag is designed in A2 and the front side, the back side, that is both sides of the paper bag is placed on the same layout of the design. Okay, the next thing you are going to do here is for you to punch your paper bag where you are going to put the ropes, that is the handles. Okay, and then after that you get your handles and you take note of these handles. You get the handle color that is going to match with your design. So what you notice here is that it is a touch of gold for the color which matches with that design. Okay, now when you cut the handle, ensure that the handle is long enough that will enter somebody's palms. Make sure it is long enough to enter somebody's palms. So the next thing is that you tied one side of the rope. Okay, put it from inside of the bag, then put it the other side. Okay, and then tied it. Repeat the same process for the other side. Okay, tied one side of the rope. Okay, put it through the hole that you made and then put the other end also. And at the end of the day, you have your paper bag. All right, this is very beautiful. If you love what you are seeing, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, subscribe to this channel.